Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix if your iPhone is lagging or freezing after the update of iOS 17. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version and your iPhone is lagging and freezing, here I will show you how can you fix it. So the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply close all the apps which you are not using right now. So as use only app which you are using on your device, and after this go for the next solution, that is you have to simply open settings, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on background app refresh. So as from here you have to make it sure that background app refresh is off. So guys, if it is on, you have to simply turn this off, and after this go back and from here tap on iPhone storage, and from here you have to make it sure that there is enough space for you in your device. So after this scroll it below and delete all these unwanted apps on your device. So guys, if you don't use apps from here, you have to simply delete them. So after this tap on system data, and from here clear your system data of your iPhone, and after this you have to force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I force restart the device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.